Deep in the heart of rural Dorset, in southern England, is an ancient town dating back to the time of the Anglo-Saxons. This is a guided tour of Shaftesbury, one of the oldest towns in the country. We start the guided tour at the top of one of the most famous streets in England, made famous by a Hovis advert in the 1970s. Marking this well-known street is the Gold Hill Museum, open daily with free admission. If you have time, visit this museum for some fascinating facts about the street and the history of the town. Go past the museum and turn right to the top of Gold Hill, and make sure you get out your camera. This is the most famous view looking down at the cobbled street below. The more scenic buildings are a bit further down the hill. On the right is the walls of the King Alfred's Abbey, which unfortunately no longer survives. Continue down the famous hill, taking the views of the street and the valley beyond. The steep slope is lined with numerous thatched and tile cottages. This used to be the main street of the town before it was replaced by the newer high street. At the bottom of the hill, turn right and continue along the street that leads away at the bottom. Again, there are a number of attractive cottages and old buildings, and will continue for quite some way. You could always turn around at some point, but towards the end of the street is a little park, so a delightful place to stop for a while. Retrace your steps back along the street till you reach the bottom of Gold Hill. This is another photo opportunity and is a less well-known viewpoint, but equally as pretty. Now climb back up Gold Hill. It's steep, but make sure you take your time stopping to take some photos as you wish. At the top of the hill, go onto the main high street where is located the town hall and a couple of pubs. It's the perfect place for a spot of lunch or a drink to refresh. Now walk down the high street for a few minutes to explore a little bit more of what the town has to offer. At the bottom of the high street is where we will end this guided walking tour. But if you have the time, retrace your steps back up the high street and head towards the viewpoint overlooking the valley. You could also visit the ruins of the abbey here, although there's not much left. Thanks for visiting Shaftesbury and for watching our video.